Hello guys, this is Anshuman Rao and welcome back to another video. So this video is gonna be about two trade, a trade breakdown. So basically, what happened was I was trading in the initial $50,000 funded account, and within two trading days, by the way, within two trading days, I hit my profit target. So the profit target was around of 8%, and maximum loss limit was for around, to be honest, I would say maximum loss limit was around 10%. So yeah, pretty much, very we are currently sitting at $2,900. As you can see, $2,940, and the target was $2,500. And for transparency purposes, I will be showing you my trade history also, as you can see here, with commissions, and mostly the traded assets are Gbpjpy. So basically, my setup and my strategy completely, respects this asset in which I am trading, which is Gbpjpy and also Usdjpy. So profitability, as you can see, completely okay, full 100% profitability, and win rate is 100%. And if you will see the analytics, pretty much, on February 9 started this account, and on February 10 we are sitting at, just $2,940 of profit. So what happened, by the way, what is the strategy behind this, and what else the things that happened behind the scenes to pass this funded account basically. And I will be, breaking down the trades which I took, especially within three trades I passed this funded account, which was one trade was on, I would say, one trade was on Gbpjpy, Usdjpy, I know, but as you can see the dates over here, one trade was on 7th Friday, I guess, 7th February, and two trades were on 7th February, and one trade on 10th, which was yesterday. So basically, without wasting any time, we will be jumping into the video. um, so as you can see here, before jumping into the video, let's see the Forex factory to, tell you what were the major news events. So basically, I didn't see the Forex factory and didn't had the track of the major news events while I'm trading, because, you know I was trading during London sessions, and Forex market doesn't really has, means the pairs I'm trading, basically USD and GBP, they don't have major news events during London session. They have major news events during New York, and during after the 30 minutes of New York Open, during those times. So as you can see, this is a Tuesday, but if you will see the 10th, okay. So let's just say we will do 7th also, okay. February range from 7th to, let's say, we will be 14th, okay. Apply settings. So as you can see here, on 7th what we had was, on 10th basically, which was yesterday, we didn't have any major news events. But tomorrow we have a very very big news event, as you can see on USD, which is President Trump speaks. So tomorrow will be, one of the most volatile days of the week. And also Fed chair Jerome Powell testifies. This is, first time I'm seeing this. What testifies means, gonna something is going to be happening big. Bank of England Governor Bailey speaks. Okay, so the governor of Bank of England also will be speaking tomorrow. So basically, both for USD and GBP, both for the US dollar and both for the pound, we have a very volatile day tomorrow. So basically, there are no major events. There are, basically there are major events, but we don't have any forecast or previous value. So we don't have any analysis, or we cannot set any, what you will say, the anticipations and a set of anticipated scenarios. We cannot set anything because we don't have any forecast and previous value, and we also don't have any graph. So basically, we don't have any previous history through which we can analyze and anticipate future moves. So on Monday 10th, which was yesterday, we didn't have any um, major events. So basically, I will be only breaking down the trade which I took yesterday, Monday 10th of February. And if you want to see the trades, the two trades, the Usdjpy and the Gbpjpy trade, which I took during London session on February 7th, I will be posting the video and I will be giving the link on in the description, and you are completely, I will highly recommend you to watch that video also. So the trade was in Gbpjpy, and we also had opportunity in the Usdjpy also. So basically today there were so many trades, but I missed those trades. Like for this, for example, okay, this trade I missed because I there was also a setup forming, which is this trade over here, which I actually took. Due to this trade, okay, due to this trade I missed this trade because I don't want messed up scenario where I open two of the positions. One is risking 2%, another is risking 2%, and I will be, the worst case scenario might happen, I am down 4% of my account. So basically I don't like to open both of the positions, and it's okay if I the if it's okay if the missed trade turns into a winner and the trade I took hits my SL. It's okay, it's completely fine. I will be calling that day out, and I will be stop trade. I will just stop trading that day. But the thing is, I don't want to mess around because managing positions, managing two positions is okay. It is somewhat, it is manageable. But the thing is, when it goes to three positions at a time, that becomes something messy. And plus, you are trading in proper accounts, not in your own personal account. So basically the risk is already defined. You If something goes here and there, the account is terminated. So these two were the missed trades. And the main thing was why I missed this trade over here. This trade I missed because I was not around the charts. So basically I have to, as I'm video journaling, so I'm completely open about my mistakes. At what I will say, like I should have a particular time at which I am in front of my trading screen. So basically that time will be 11:45 or 12. Within 12 I have to be in front of the screen. 12, I would say 12 p.m. Indian Standard Time, IST. So this is the rule I am setting for myself in this video itself, and I will be following whole this. I will be following this rule like in the next upcoming days from next trading day itself. So basically this trade, so that I don't miss these kinds of trades which are completely in my setup and which were completely a winner trade with 1.3 risk is to reward, and this was also 1 risk is to reward. But the thing is, the trade I took was this trade, which is 1.8 risk is to reward ratio trade. So this was also a missed trade, as you can see over here. So this was also a missed trade. Okay, so this was also a missed trade. Oh shit. Okay, so this was also a missed trade. The same reason, because I wasn't around the charts during these times. So that was also a missed trade. But this trade, what is the logic behind this trade? Basically, the logic behind this trade, as you can see, so what we got basically yeah. So in Gbpjpy, as you can see, we were pretty much bearish, and we were completely bearish during Asian and London Open. I would say. But on at one after London Open. Let me tell you, 15 means 1 o'clock, and 13 means 1 o'clock, and 15 means I guess 3 o'clock. Yeah. So after 2 hours of London Open, what we see is a big bearish candle, which is you can consider it as a bearish engulfing candle, and also what we saw that this is the resistance over here, and the price entered this resistance and closed below this resistance, and also after that the next candle was full volume bearish engulfing candle. So there are now higher probabilities for the price to reverse the trend, as you can see, consider, because there are high probabilities, because there are two reasons. First reason is that price, as you can see this wick over here, this wick. So what price did was enter into this resistance zone, and it didn't sustain, and closed out, didn't also close outside the resistance zone. Instead it closed inside the resistance zone and didn't break the resistance zone. So after that what we see is a full volume bearish candle, which you can consider it as bearish engulfing candle. So it defines high power of sellers, and it defines that sellers had already entered into the markets. So there are now high probabilities for the price to continue pushing up and reverse the trend. So after that we can see we get a bullish candle which creates a support over here, and after that we also got to see a full volume bearish candle which broke this support and closed below this support over here. So right there my entry goes, because I had a full conviction that the trend is going to be reversed, and the trend has already reversed. I already had the conviction that the trend has already reversed. Now there are high probabilities for the price to continue pushing down. But what happened was it closed below this resistance, and right there my entry goes, and after my entry we got to see a bullish candle, which is okay, completely fine, because my SL is around the high of this the on the candle which I entered previously, the candle which was formed previously, the high of the candle is where my SL is. So what happened now is we got, as soon as I entered the market, we got a slight move to favor, as you can see this green candle's wick, but this was pretty much a bullish candle, but it was not a complete full volume bullish candle, and it wasn't also a bullish candle which engulfed this this bearish candle over here, which doesn't show power of buyers. So what happened then? After that we got a full volume bearish candle, and which also broke this resistance over here which was formed. So yeah, we just pretty much held into that trade, and we made about 1.85 hour trade, and this trade was actually this one, which is this in Gbpjpy. Yeah, so this was around this. We made about $614 as reward. So yeah, basically it was that much. It was all it for the video, and edge is something secondary. What comes first is the risk management and the psychology. So yeah, you can have edge with 80% win rate, but you can be you can have a best edge. You can have a 80% win rate edge, but you still, there are probabilities that you are still not profitable because your risk management is shit. So basically what happens is you always have to manage your risk. Always have to manage your risk. And if you have a good win rate, utilize that win rate by taking trades which has at least 1.5 risk is to reward ratio. So yeah, this was all for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, And for complete transparency purposes, here this is all my trading journal over here. And in the next video, from the as you know, this account I passed within 2 trading days, and we, minimum trading days is 3, as you can see here. So basically we have to gain another trading day, which is, not so difficult. We just can execute a 0.01 lot order, execute a 0.01 lot order, and we can just, close it after 1 minute. It's okay, it's not a big thing. So we pretty much passed this account, you can consider it. As you can see, we have reached the profit target, and this is not, something that is very hard to achieve. This is very easy to achieve. So in the next video, from next session onwards, we will be working on this account, which is also a funded account. As you can see, a trial funded account in Alpha Capital Group in the ACG markets. But the twist here is we are already in a drawdown of $1,100. The twist is this. So basically I will be starting this account with a $1,100 loss, and I will be, we'll see what the outcome is. But I will be completely focusing on my setup, I will be completely focusing on my risk management model, and I will be completely focusing on my psychological model. So yeah, this is only, this was all for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, take care, bye bye, see you in the next one. Anshuman Rao, peace out.